Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, it's Thursday afternoon and I've got some bench time. We're still battling snow out here, so I've taken the rest of the week off. So we'll see how much bench time I get, but I've made a little progress on the Earls oil uh, building, I guess you'd call it. It's an HO scale for model railroading, but I'm doing this from the mindset of a model car guy. But I really dig these little buildings. They have awesome detail, and it's fun weathering them up. And yeah, it's just been a good time. A little bit of a change of pace from model cars, but now those of you that follow my channel, never fear. I will be doing model cars as well, but I'm definitely digging these little HO scale buildings, and I'm gonna definitely be getting more of them. The company is called Bar Mills, and they just make really neat little kits. And so here we go. As you can see, I've got the roof on here. I've got these little storage bins, and I guess this one here probably isn't going to show up very well on the camera, but it's like a little bench or something. Um, had a blast weathering this. And then this is one of two signs that I'm weathering. And interestingly enough, it's just like a decal. It sticks on here, and then you take some quadruple aught stainless steel stuff. This stuff, can't think of the name of it. And you weather it. You just rub it on there, and it starts fading it, and it's just slicker than slick. I've got another sign I'm working on. I've got still quite a bit to do on this because, again, I'm turning this into a diorama. I've just got it set up on here, just make it easier to show you guys. But yeah, this is kind of what I got done today, and I'm just having a great time with it. I think my next kit that I get from them might be one scale larger than this. This thing, it's really tiny, guys. But it's fun, and the details are just really cool on it. Anyway, yeah, I should be. Our weather's not supposed to improve this week, which is the big reason that I took the rest of the week off. I should be able to get some more bench time in. Kind of show you the top side of that roof. It's kind of like a corrugated type of roof, and I just put it on there kind of haphazardly. As you can tell, I'm not a contractor. So yeah, this thing is a good time. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it as well, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.